Hello friends, today we are solving the maximal square question from the lead code. It is having this is a binary 2D matrix with zeros and ones. So we need to find out the maximal square of ones in this input matrix. So you can see the example in this only 1111, like this is the maximum square you can of this 4 ones. So the size will be 4. So again you need to find out the maximal square. So what we can do is, like, there are many ways to solve this question. If you think about it, then you might think that you will recursively fetch all row wise the number of ones and column wise number of ones, and you will increment the counter if row wise and column wise you are able to find one. And if this thing is breaking, then you will find all the internals if every element inside that row and column, the maximum row and column are ones. If it is like that, you will come to know that this is the maximum square. But this approach is very bad. I'll say this will be more than order of n cube solution. So another approach is by using dynamic programming. So again what we can do is, like, this is the input array. We can create another array of which contains one more row and one more column, and everything is filled initially 0. So how we will be filling it is, we'll start with this 1, and in the second array, the resultant array which we created, will start from this. So we'll fetch, if 1 is there, so we'll take minimum of all 3 plus 1. So again it is 0, will not do anything. It is 1, again we'll check 0 0 0, what is the minimum? 1. 0 plus 1, 1 again. So these are the resultant matrix what I have created from this result formula. So we'll create another matrix and we'll use this formula mat.mean of all the 3 sides, and we'll create this matrix, and whatever is the maximum value will return the square of it. So let's see if it works. Result equal to 0. So m is matrix dot length in 10 matrix of 0 dot length. So we'll need array to store, array which contains one more row, one more column, then input array. So we'll need that. We are getting resultant array. n plus 1, n plus 1. So now for int I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to m, I plus plus. For int j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus. We are creating this resultant matrix as of now. If resultant of, if matrix of ij, I minus 1 we need to do, because since I is equal to 1 over here, we'll start filling from this and we'll check from the 0 to 0 column, and we start with the first column and first row in this resultant matrix. So j minus 1 equal to 1. So what we'll do, we'll set result of ij, this only, this formula mat.mean of all the 3. What leftmost upper, and we'll check the minimum of these three and we'll add 1 to it. So we are setting the result equal to math.max of result and result of ij as I discussed earlier. So this I said, I'll return result into result, which is square of it. Let's see whether it is getting executed or not. Let's submit it. Any issues? Earlier also I solved with another something else. Yes, it is saying that index 0 is out of bound for length. We didn't check for the length 0. If it is length 0, matrix is length 0, will return 0. Earlier I solved recursively. I will put that solution as well. Let's see whether it is getting executed or not. Yes, it is getting accepted. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.